back to Mackenzie Science Lab. This time for our fantastic foamy fountain, we're going to be using a much bigger bottle. This is my assistant Calvin. Okay, so this time instead of adding half of a cup of hydrogen peroxide, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup. So let's put this in there. Okay. Now, we're still only going to use about a tablespoon of the liquid dish soap. So let's get that in there. Okay. Now, we're still only going to use 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of water. So Calvin, you could put, we already have our yeast in our cup, so Calvin, could you put 3 tablespoons of water inside our yeast? I'm going to add a little bit more.
Okay.
And if you could mix this up,
Yes.
just keep stirring that. Okay, so my lovely assistant picked out green food coloring this time. I'm going to add about 6 drops this time because it's a bigger bottle. Maybe even 7.
This is really hot. Yes.
Here, you want some help stirring that up? Okay. Well, it has clumped up quite a lot, but we're going to still stir it up to... We're going to add a little bit more water. Just to... There we go. Okay. Now, let's throw these. Okay. Let's see. We really want to get this mixed in.
Just this in now.
Ah, we got a little clump here. I'd say that's about good. Okay,
Okay.
so. Hang on, buddy. Very eager to get this to explode. Okay, could we get a chair over here for our assistant to stand on? Thank you. Okay, so come stand up on this chair. And if you could pour this yeast and water into our cup. Okay, it's coming up.
Okay, this.
So this is taking a little bit. Yes, this is taking a lot longer. It's probably because we need,
More yeast.
yes, a lot more yeast.
Okay, yes.
Well, we can't add the yeast now because we have to mix it with the water.
This is taking a long time.
Yes, this is taking a long time. But you do have to add more yeast. So let's add some more yeast right now before this gets to the top. We could quickly do this. Where did our tablespoon go? Oh, here it is. So let's some more yeast. Drop that in there. And
Oh,
then
it's
add some more water to this.
Oh no!
I'm gonna mix this up really fast before this reaches to the top. Okay, let's throw these lumps away. Okay, thank you very much, Calvin. I'm gonna hold that just so it doesn't tip over. Okay, let's add this more yeast. See if this will help out.
It is!
Oh, it's helping out a lot more. Now it's going a lot faster than it was. It's coming to the top.
It's coming! Wow! It's green.
Yes, it's very green. Now, it's still foamy, but it's moving a lot slower.
Don't move it.
The bottle's a lot bigger, so it's taking a lot longer time for it to reach to the top. And if we added maybe more yeast beforehand, and instead of adding it afterwards, it might have gone up a little faster and maybe have been a little more foamier. And it seems not as foamy, I guess, as the first one. It seems a little bit more liquidy. And this is our test for our foamy fountain experiment.